Hey, fellow GIS enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be coming to the world of ArcGIS Pro and learning how to create a shapefile. So, let's not waste any time and get right into it. Before we begin creating a shapefile, let's make sure we have a project to work in. Open ArcGIS Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Step 1. Setting up your project. Step 2. Accessing the catalog pane. To create a shapefile, we'll need to access the catalog pane. This is where all our data will be managed. Here's how you do it. Step 3. Navigating to your workspace. Let's navigate to the location where we want to store the shapefile. This is known as the workspace. It could be a geodatabase or a folder on your computer. Choose the location wisely. Step 4. Creating a new shapefile. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's create that shapefile. We'll use the Create Feature class tool for this. Step 5. Defining the geometry. Files are all about geometry. You'll need to define the type of features you want to create. Let's do that right now.
Can I be numb to you?
Step 6. Creating feature class. Now that we have our shapefile, let's take a moment to make sure everything is in order. Then we can edit the shapefile by adding and deleting the features.
Can I be numb to you?
Step 7. Editing the shapefile. Attribute fields help us store additional information about our features.
Can I be numb to you? Another stiff drink in a dark room. I don't wanna think. Can I be numb to you?
Step 8. Setting attribute fields. Let's set them up to make our shapefile more informative by setting the geometry of your shapefile. Selecting Calculate Geometry.
Circle, circle, get away at the end of the day. Circle, circle, get away in a dark room. I don't wanna think. I don't want a dark room. Dark room. Can I be numb to you?
Great job! You've successfully created a shapefile. Step 9. Saving your shapefile.